everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your Bitget account. To delete your Bitget account, first of all, open up your Bitget application on your mobile device. You can also open up your web browser and visit the Bitget website and log in. Once you are logged into your account, from the main home page, tap on the waffle menu at the top left corner. This will open up your profile section. Now click on your username at the top, this little arrow at the right corner of your username, and then you will end up in this user center page. From the profile section inside user center, you will be able to see the close account button at the very bottom. Click on close account and then go ahead and read through the information. If you are trying to close your account, make sure to close or liquidate your positions, withdraw your balance, and empty your Web3 wallet as well, as assets cannot be recovered once your account is deleted, so make sure you do that. And then once you are ready, you can tap on this little square box at the bottom and click on close account at the bottom. You might need to confirm your request through email or 2FA if enabled, and after confirming your deletion by following the prompts, you will be able to delete your account. But remember that you must withdraw any funds before you delete your account. Ensure that all of your crypto and fiat balances are transferred to another wallet or bank account, and that is how you easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.